pressure cook the potatoes for about 4 whistles on medium flame. The potatoes are cooked beautifully. Remove the skin and chop it roughly. Next, I'm going to make the aloo masala. For this, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute till the onions are transparent. Add the boiled cut up potatoes. Mix the potatoes. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of BHAJI masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. I'm going to just mash the potatoes a little. Turn off the stove. This I'm going to squeeze the juice of half lemon and add finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Now that the potato filling is ready, next I'm going to make the sandwich. I've taken 2 slices of white sandwich bread. I'm going to apply butter on both the slices. Now I've taken unsalted butter. This is softened butter. So make sure you leave it out at room temperature before you apply the butter. Spread it evenly on all sides of the bread. Apply the minced coriander chutney to both the slices. Make sure you spread it out evenly. So once this is done, you can add about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture. Make sure the filling is nice and thick. To this, I'm going to add finely chopped capsicum. Now you can either chop them or slice them nice and thin. I'm just going to add some chopped capsicum to give it a little crunch. Next, I'm going to place the onion rings. Next, place the tomato slices. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala powder. Next, place a slice of cheese. So now I'm going to slightly toast the sandwich on a tawa. Heat the tawa, add a little butter. Place the prepared sandwich onto the tawa. Gently press the sandwich. Keep the flame on medium and toast the sandwich. I'm going to apply a little butter on the top slice. Once it's toasted on one side, gently flip it to the other. Hold it and gently flip it. Make sure the sandwich is toasted on both sides. You can see it's got a lovely golden brown color. Once you've toasted the sandwich, remove it from the tawa. Cut the sandwich and garnish it with some save. Tablespoons of softened butter. Now I'm using unsalted butter. Take 3 cloves of garlic, chop them nice and fine. I've taken 2 green chilies, de-seeded and chopped them fine. Mix everything together. So you can see how soft the butter is. I've left it at room temperature. So it's best to soften the butter before you make the garlic butter. I've mixed the garlic and the green chilli into the butter. Take some garlic green chilli butter and spread it generously over the bread slice. For the toast, I'm using processed pizza cheese. Grate the cheese over the bread slice. You can use any cheese of your choice. Just top it with a few chili flakes. I'm also going to add a little oregano. Now this is optional. If you have, you can use it. Otherwise, you can just add the chili flakes. This is dry oregano. Just adding a little for extra flavor. Take a pan, keep the flame on low, place the bread slice onto the pan, close it and toast the slice till all the cheese melts. Keep the flame on low throughout. The cheese is melted, looks perfect. For the French toast, I've taken 2 eggs. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use regular white sugar. Whisk the eggs along with the sugar. To this, I'm going to add half cup of boiled and cooled milk. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder adds a very nice flavor to French toast. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything together. So now let's start making the French toast. Pour the milk and egg mixture onto the plate. Heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Dip the slice of bread. Make sure you coat the egg mixture on both sides of the bread. For this recipe, I've chosen brioche bread. This is a very nice, rich and buttery bread and it's very light as well. Place the dipped bread gently onto the pan. So I've toasted the bread on one side for just about a minute. I've kept the flame on medium while doing it. Add a little more butter. Flip it to the other side, toast it for another 1 minute. The classic French toast is ready to be served. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.